Hi everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of Eat Prime. I'm Daedran. Popcorn's Twist and Turn featuring Drake and Party Next Door certified gold in the US. The new certification is his first gold single as a lead artist. According to World Music Views, the track released back in 2020 has surpassed 500,000 units in combined sales and streams. It also has earned over 102 million streams on Spotify and was certified silver in the UK in 2022. Popcorn, one of Jamaica's most successful artists, remains loyal to Drake's OVO sound while recently declaring his independence as an artist. He has surpassed 1.6 billion Spotify streams and is set to perform at Vybz Kartel's Freedom Stream concert in December. Now Jamaica turns up the heat with dancehall-inspired national costume for Miss Universe 2024. The national costume for the 73rd Miss Universe pageant, worn by Rachel Silvera, was a fiery tribute to the island's iconic dancehall culture. Designed by Carl Williams and Mark McDermott, the bold ensemble celebrated dancehall legends like Sister Nancy, Patra, and Spice, highlighting the genre's global influence. The costume embodied the energy, creativity, and cultural pride of Jamaica, capturing dancehall roots and modern evolution. It was a showstopper that brought the vibrant vibes of Jamaica to the Miss Universe stage. The grand coronation for the Miss Universe competition takes place in Mexico City tomorrow. Go Rachel. Barris Hammond's Just a Man reissued unlimited green vinyl for Black Friday. The 1979 album will be reissued for Record Store Day on November 29 this year. This newly remastered version offers a glimpse into Hammond's early career, blending R&B, disco, and his signature lovers rock style. Highlights include the UK soul hit Do This World a Favor and other soulful funky tracks. The project features the rare Rolls-Royce cover art and boasts high-quality sound. Produced by Joe Gibbs and arranged by Willie Lindo, the album includes contributions from reggae legends like Mikey Chung and Dean Fraser. This limited edition is a must-have for collectors and fans of Barris Hammond's early work. Chris Brown ties with Beyonce as the best-selling R&B artist as No Guidance goes diamond. Chris Brown continues to break records at the Recording Industry Association of America, RIAA. He recently made history as the first male vocalist in the RIAA's 72-year history to earn 20 platinum-certified singles. Brown now boasts the most single sales of any male R&B artist, with a total of 114.5 million. Overall, he ranks 10th on the all-time list, behind top artists like Drake, Rihanna, and Eminem. That's it for your weekend edition of Eat Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching. Be safe.